Hey, what is up guys? It's Cool Freak here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can you install the Rise of Tomb Raider from Blackbox Repack. So today's video is a special video on how to install the game for PC users. So let's get started. So the main thing is how to download the thing. So go to the Google and type Blackbox Repack. So after going to the website, you will be finding this the Rise of Tomb Raider by scrolling down or by searching on the search tab. So after that you will find the Rise of Tomb Raider. In that, click that one. As you can see here, the bunch of details will be written over there. The game is updated to the latest patch and included 3 DLCs. So and etc. information will be given over there. So there are bunch of tabs. For example, view info, game screenshots for them. As you can see the screenshot over here. So at the bottom of that you will find the 4 download links. So and as you can see here, the torrent is down. So at the bottom of that, as you can see the password, that is www.blackboxrepack.com. So the files which has uploaded to this website or this server, I don't know, so are in form of zip or WinRAR files. So I will suggest you to go and open the third link, that is OpenLoad. As you can see, so click on them and it will open it. So total there are 14 links, which is for WinRAR files. There are 14 WinRAR files over here. So as you can see, the blackbox/ROT, that is Rise of Tomb Raider part 1 till part 14. So as you can see here, if you click this one of the links, so it will pop up some kind of ads and all. So I will recommend you to close the all ads and proceed your downloads. As you can see here, it will show you to wait 5 seconds. So after 5 seconds, if you click on them, then again the ad will pop up. So like that, you need to close all the ads, or you can download the Adblocker Pro in the Chrome extension. So after that, click on the download link. So it will 2-3 times you need to download on the link. It will generate one kind of if you have IDM, I will recommend to download IDM. As you can see guys, you can see the IDM window is popped out. That is showing the part 1 RAR and it's 1 GB file. So like that, you need to download all the files. So after that, so as you can see, I have downloaded the total files. So what you need to do is go to the first part and extract them. So if you have any kind of 7-zipper or WinRAR, that will be better for you. So find the destination of the files where you need to extract it. So after extracting, as you can see here, you will find this one. In that, you will find one exe. Hit the exe and click to install. After install, you will be seeing some kind of browse in which drive you want to install the game. So after that, installation process is done. Wait for some time and you will be finding the Rise of Tomb Raider icon on the desktop. So open that. As you can see here, you will find some instruction to play option, and many more options are here. So as you can set the screen resolution, everything, each and everything you want to set, guys. This is it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. So this is it for today, and I will see you guys in the next one. Later.